Hi there, you're looking at my 2001 Toyota Corolla, and today I'm going to show you how to polish your headlights to make them crystal clear. Okay, so this headlight on the left hand side of the screen has been polished and it's nice and clear. But the headlight on the right hand side of the screen has not been polished and is quite dull. So this is the one I'm going to polish today, the one on the right hand side of the screen. Okay, so there's a close-up of the polished headlight on the left hand side, and it's quite, you can see how clear that is now. And that was polished last week. And there's a close-up on the right hand side, and that's very, very dull and not clear at all. Okay, so the polish I used was Meguiar's two-step headlight restoration, and I bought that kit. It was actually recommended by Scotty Kilmer on another YouTube video, and it comes with a couple of those scouring pads, and then you get a bottle of polish. And that's your first step, is to clean it with the polish, and then once it's clean with the polish, then you got a spray bottle that came in the kit, which is your headlight coating, and you spray the polished headlight with a coating, and that really helps to make it crystal clear. Okay, so there's that headlight, and I've put a bit of polish on so far, and so all you do is shake the bottle well, put a bit of polish onto that scouring pad, and then just apply that to the headlight and rub it backwards and forwards. And I just kept rubbing until it sort of went dry and started to sort of disappear a bit, I suppose. So, and I found that was a good amount of polishing for this headlight. Then once you've finished polishing, then just get a damp cloth, and I've removed some of the polish so far. So just get a damp cloth and try and remove as much of the polish as you can from the headlight. And then just get a dry cloth and give it a bit of a wipe over with a dry cloth, just to try and get all that polish off your headlight. Let's get in there. I also used a bit of auto glass cleaner and sprayed that on the headlight to get rid of the last bit of the polish, and wipe that off with a dry and clean cloth. Okay, so now it's ready for the headlight coating. So what you've got to do is protect the rest of the car from that spray. So I've got a towel there up over the top, and then I use a little bit of cardboard along the edge to protect it from from spraying. I wear a mask and a face protector because it's quite a strong smell, that coating spray. So give the can a good shake. That's your headlight coating spray. Give it a good shake, and just make sure you don't get any of that spray on the rest of the car. Just make sure it only goes on the headlights, and just spray it and go across and across and across and across like that. And you can see how crystal clear that headlight has suddenly become. Do the other side as well, making sure you don't get any spray on the rest of the car. And there we go. Leave that for 5 minutes, and then you can come back and do a second coat. Okay, so the headlight there on the right hand side of the screen is now crystal clear, nice and clean, and matches the headlight on the left hand side. Okay, there we go. Another close up of the crystal clear headlights. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.